What's up guys, welcome back. Venom in a cool ski jacket. So this is by Lee In Hyuk. I'm on a landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Got a hoodie pulled up, big jacket, and it's got like the symbiote ooze kind of coming off the jacket as well. So that's kind of a nice touch. So we get the hood, because his head is like inside the hood, right? So the top of it is like just here. Just a horizontal line. And then it comes down, kind of like an egg shape, you know, comes down and then curves in. And so it curves around, kind of like top of an egg, maybe. That sort of shape. And it's not the same both sides, you know, it's not like perfectly symmetrical. Hoods kind of tend to go different directions. And then it curves in and his tongue kind of comes out there somewhere. But say like, we just stop it like that. So half his head is divided, like we got the eyes and then the mouth section, right? There are two main sections. So his mouth comes across here and it's kind of bumpy, you know, he's got that symbiote sort of stuff going on. So we'll just bring it across. Up the other side, right? So that's like his top lip. So then his eyes are in this part. So the middle of it, so we've got this spiky symbiote eye starting here and the one on the other side. Now they're different both sides, so you don't have to do them the same shape. They do change direction and stuff. So they go out from here. Up into the hood. These are those big white eyes that he has, just spiky and wavy sort of things like that. So they go up under the hood and then it curves back in this side. And we do the same thing over the other side. It doesn't have to be the exact same. As I said, they can be different shapes, both sides. Okay. And then he does have like some wrinkles and stuff just going around it, just to show it's kind of like textured, and you know, he's got like some frowns in here and all this kind of thing. Veins and wrinkles and symbiote weirdness going on all around the eye. Okay, just a few loose texture lines. So his big tongue, right? So it comes out underneath his teeth. So I guess we'll do the teeth line maybe. So say like we'll do some teeth. We'll go this way, spiking, right? Two in the middle, and then we'll bring them either side. And they kind of get smaller as we go up. So spiky teeth. Stops about there. We do the same on the other side. You can just do the gums like a V sort of situation, up and down. And then you do your spikes coming down from there. So down from this, he has that big tongue, right? So that big sort of oozing tentacle-like tongue. Right, and then the center sort of line for it here, just coming down. And you might have like some like drips coming off it, you know, like some drool and It's like all weird stuff on it. So then his bottom jaw, big long jaw, right, sticks out like here. And then comes down towards the tongue. Just a big long jaw down like that. And then he's got that black skin for his bottom lip coming down this way. The symbiote color. And then this has some texture, wavy texture lines on it as well. And then we have like a bit of that gum, you know, that sort of pink flesh that's on the side of his mouth here. And then his teeth. So basically like, you know, a bumpy gum line again. So it just like bumps around. And you have like the teeth at the top of each bump. You know, so you can just bump. And then add a spike at the top. Right, so then the rest of the jacket, right? So the inside of the hood will come down from his face, sort of here. This is like the inside of the hoodie, you know, and there'll be like some wavy clothing lines and stuff in there. And then the outside of it will go back around this way. Up, and it'll eventually go around the top of his head, and it'll come back down then. Then we have some sort of edge lines and like extra little details on the top of the hood, like some folding lines and stuff. So like there's another little line that comes around this way. And then like an edge line just around here, just at the rim. So then our jacket continues down this way. It's kind of open so you can see the symbol. So it goes down behind his tongue. And then in here we can see some anatomy. So we can see like, say, like his top of his chest muscle, say, going either side that way. Center line for his chest just here. Coming along there. And then like maybe some abs. And then neck muscles. Just in there. So we can see that white spidey symbol. So we got like two spikes sticking up here for the spider's sort of mouth. And then we go down and we get the white spider legs going either side. And then you get like this continuation. So we get a white leg, black, a white leg, then a bit of black, then a white leg, then black, and then there. So each gap will be a leg. So gap, leg there, gap, leg there, gap, leg there, gap. So it's like a circle with dots. And then the body, like the abdomen of the spider, comes down here, across, and then just do in each spider's leg. coming out from each of these little gaps. And that's his Spidey symbol on his chest. So then ski jacket has a couple of layers, right? So there's like a zipper here and a zipper on the other side. There's a couple of zippers actually. Easiest way to do it is just like do horizontal lines like this. Then we got the start and the inside of the hoodie and the sort of collar of the next one. So it'll go kind of around this way. It's kind of like got some folding lines and stuff on it. Down there. Then the next layer. So we've got like a big open collar kind of a thing. And it comes down in two sections, right? So this goes down this way. Then it has another section. So this has a couple of different details on it. So we got like another zipper here. And there's like little sections like just dividing the jacket up sort of in there. And then the same on this kind of. So you know with ski jackets, they have like lots of different like zips and pieces of Velcro and different sorts of things on it. So then there's another section like this, but it's the like the opposite side. So it's kind of like folded over. It comes down here. I think it just goes into there. It just sort of bumps down then into that. There's a little stitching line here. Okay, so on his shoulders, he has like symbiote ooze going up, right? So say as we do the shoulder, so it goes down like there, kind of either side a little bit. And then there's like ooze coming up, you know? So it goes like. There'll be like little gaps inside. Okay, stuff like this, right? Like little circles and just going up over his chest, just wavy. You could do it any way you want. It doesn't have to be the exact same way I'm doing it. You just want to look like it's kind of drips going, defying gravity, going up that way. Okay, we do same over this side, not exact same, but like something similar, you know. Just that similar process. Like little gaps in the ooze. The sort of wide parts. Another one sort of here. And then we'll go down just for the jacket down that way. So then we have details inside each section of jacket. So say like his shoulder sort of goes down there, and then his chest is kind of here. So say we'll go this way, and then we'll just go down this way. So that's like his arm area, and then there's like some pockets in here. So there's like a pocket coming across the top, and then we go diagonal, and then it looks like there's an extra sort of line going this way, and then that way, and then this looks like a zip, like a little tag that you can pull and open the pocket. That's what it looks like to me anyway. There's like little folds and stuff on that. We do the same thing over here, like a zipper that you can open. And then we got some like little sections here as well, just different shades, black and gray. And then there's like a black portion there. And I think there's a strap here. He puts a lot of detail into the clothing, actually. This looks like another pocket or something. And then he actually has spider legs coming across his chest. Kind of like imagine they're white from here, but then they turn black when they get to here. At least that's what it looks like to me anyway. So we'll do them. Another little yellow tag here. And then I think there's one more leg kind of shape here. And then over this side, so just do it again. Curve down. This one kind of disappears on me, but I'll put it there. So black, white, black, white, black, and then you can actually see an extra little bit there. I think that's everything. Venom in a jacket, in a ski jacket. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.